friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE. And don't you just love this cute little nutcracker? I found him at the thrift store and he was $4.99. As you can see here, he's a little dusty and dirty and not in my colors at all. He is a little golfing nutcracker, which I thought was cute, but he is not going to stay that way. Today's video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by a wonderful sister here on YouTube, and that is Diva Designing on the Dime with Kimberly Davis, and it is the $10 Thrift Flip Winter Edition. So, if you want to see what I'm going to do with this little snowman, or actually not a snowman, a nutcracker, make sure you keep watching to see how he turns out. Alright friends, so this is how our little nutcracker has turned out. I think the thrift flip went very well and he tolerated the procedure so nicely. So what we did is I painted him white because he was in the traditional red colors and I do not decorate in the traditional colors. So I wanted to make him fit into my own color scheme. If you do not know, I love to decorate in black and white. Those are my signature colors, along with a touch of glam. And that is what we have done to our little nutcracker. And I think he is so cute. I put like a little snowball ornament, if you can see that, on the top of his head and down here by his feet. And I wanted to make him part of my crystal and ice theme. So I also added a little velvet ribbon and these little silver, I don't know, little sprigs. And I think he came out oh so cute. And I paired him next to this green tree. You know, my accent color is green. And I think it's so cute. And so this little nutcracker, again, was $4.99. And he is part of the $10 and under thrift challenge hosted by Kimberly Davis. I also wanted to show you this little crystal snowman. He is oh so cute. He is part of my ice theme. He was also $4.99 and thrifted, so both together are within the $10 budget. And I absolutely love how this little vignette turned out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my DIY crystal and ice nutcracker. I think he is so cute. And I hope you agree. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor. I love decorating my home with style, on a budget, and trying to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So that if that is something you are into as well, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. Now, since this is my coffee bar, I also added my little snowman cup that I drink my coffee out of. I picked him up from the Dollar Tree and I think he's oh so cute. And it goes well with my crystal and ice theme here for my coffee bar. And I just have my little espresso cups and I am using these shakers for like a sugared cinnamon. So I thought it gave it a touch of glam to my coffee bar. And I absolutely love the way it turned out. And I hope you agree. If so, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would like to thank Kimberly for hosting this collaboration. It was so much fun, Kimberly. I will leave a link for Kim's channel down below. If you have not met Kim, you need to go check out her channel. She does lots of shopping hauls. She does thrifting, home improvement. She's made some really nice improvements to her home lately. And I absolutely love it. And she's inspired me to make some improvements in our own home. So that will be coming up soon, so make sure you subscribe so you do not miss any of those upcoming uploads. Those won't be until the new year, but still, I have lots of content that I'm sure you will enjoy, so I hope you will subscribe and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. I will leave a link of the playlist as well down below, where you are sure to get tons of inspiration. So he is so cute. I absolutely love him. So until next time, guys, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye, friends.